JD Cap 26 here, just do the tips and repairs, and I just want to show you the strange changing vampire with the diorama all finished, and it came out pretty good. That's glow-in-the-dark paint, by the way, just to give it some effect. And this opens up. If I can get it open up with one hand. I don't think so. So actually I got it open, put the camera down and opened it up and to show you what it looks like. And there he is. And here's the other side. He's all gruesome. So that's what I want to show you today, and I hope you like this video, and please rate, subscribe, and tell your friends, and have a great day. Thanks for watching.